Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to the another topic of SOP and POS expressions. We can represent with SOP POS by Carnot map. So here is just introductions. What are the different types of Carnot map? Actually, what is Carnot? Maurice Carnot, a great mathematician, developed a way to simplify an expression by using a tabular or matrix representation that enables you to obtain an expression in the most simplified form. So this tabular representation is termed as K-maps or Carnot map. The advantage. What are the advantage of this K-map or Carnot map? The expression can be reduced to its most simplified form without any algebraic derivations, because what you have done in Boolean expression and derivation, you are using the Boolean postulates rules to simplify the Boolean expression. But we have another method by tabular form or by table or matrix method. We can simplify this expression. But what is the limitation? That is a drawback of Carnot map. That is only applied for sum of product and product of sum forms, not any Boolean algebraic expression. So here we will discuss about Carnot map. 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables Carnot map. First is 2 variable Carnot map. 2 variable Carnot map. So in 2 variable Carnot map, that means you are going to take 2 inputs as A and B. So what is the form of 2 variable in SOP and POS form? First I go with SOP form. Okay, so if I am going to take 2 variables, so there will be 2 rows and 2 columns. So I go with 2 rows and 2 columns here. So I go with, because both method has POS, so it will be easier if I draw the diagram in both the cases. So here, so I make the diagram here. So if it is only 2 variables, so that means you go with 2 rows and 2 columns. So in the sum of product form, so we start with this is product of sum and this is sum of product. So we start with the A complement and this is E. Okay, so this will be, second variable will be in the column wise and first variable will be shown in the row wise. So this will be B complement and this is B. Okay, if you combine that one, rows and columns, this will be A complement, B complement, this is A complement B. So this is AB complement and this is AB. Then if you show in the binary form of this, so in the SOP, complement represent as 0 and number will be represent as 1. So this will be also 0 and this will be 1. So what is the binary number here? 0 0. So that is 0 1 and this is 1 0 and this is 1 1. Okay, and what is the decimal number of this binary number? We represent under this box here. So that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is a product, because whatever written is it here P, you have to mention inside this. This is the only introduction, but in the Boolean expression we no need to write this, but this box is compulsory when we go with the solving the expression. Okay, so here this variable is compulsory, position is compulsory and this decimal number is compulsory. That I write for the understanding of this SOP. Okay, so if this is P, that means both variable will be multiplied. Okay, but if this is S is there, that means both variable are added inside this box. Now we go with the product of sum. Product of sum is exactly opposite to that. So that means if A complement represent as 0, here E will be represent as 0 and A complement represent as 1. exactly opposite to that. Then we go with B and B complement, so that is 0 and this is 1. So B complement represent as 1 and B here 0, A 0, because that is exactly opposite to SOP. So when you are going to write here, so this will be A plus B, because here is a sum, here is a product. Okay, so whatever last variable shows, that you have to do it here, like A plus B complement, A complement plus B, then A complement plus B. And when you join this one, this is 0 0 form. In the last video also, when we write it here in the like M1, M3, M4, M6, M7, that for only understanding I write it plus, but actually it is multiplied. Okay, that for only understanding, because we go with the plus, so that will be changes to multiply, because everything is opposite to that. Here also SOP and POS is exactly opposite to that, but there is no change in the binary number and position, only variable is changes. Okay, so there is position again 0, so there is 1, so there is 2 and there is 3. So that is SOP and POS form of 2 variable Carnot map. Now we go with the 3 variable Carnot map, like 3 variable Carnot map. So now I go with 3 variable Carnot map. So if there is a 3 variable, 1 variable will be taken row wise and 2 variable taken as column wise. If it is a 2 variable, you will go with the 4 columns, but only 1 variable represent 2 and 2 variable represent as 4, because 1 represent for 2, whether it is column, whether it is row. And if it is 2 variable combined, so that means 2 more increased. If it is in column form, 2 variable, column will be 4. If it 2 variable in the row form, then row will be 4. But here only 1 variable we represent as row is it here. So I go with here in the both the cases, like POS and SOP. So POS and SOP, here I go with quickly with this. So when I draw this one, so this will be 4 columns. Better I write it here, it will be easier. So row will be 2 and column will be 4, because 2 variable represent on the column. So this will be again, here will be 2 rows, because we represent 1 column on the row wise, 1 variable on the row wise. Like here will be A complement, here is A and here is A and A complement, so that is opposite to that. Okay, now if I move it here, because this is SOP, product shows here, and this is POS. So remember this last variable when you are going to represent this one. Now 2 variable when we write in here, so that will be written in the product form, and when 2 variable write it here, well, that will be written in the sum form here. Okay, so how you will write it here? First A complement is there, that is B complement and C complement. So what will be next when you move it further? So 1 complement removed from the C, so that is B complement C. Now again complement removed from B, so that is BC, because in Carnot map there is a alternative complement is there. So here now again we move the complement on the C, so this variable written in this form also. Okay, so now this position is 0, this is 1, so this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1 and this is 1 0. Okay, when you join this one, so it will be like 0 0 1, that is A complement B complement C, that is A complement B complement C, so that is 0 0 1. So this is 3 all zeros is there. So this is A complement BC, that is 0 1 1, and this will be my A complement BC complement, that is 0 1 0. Okay, so here is 1, that company is 1 0 0, and this is 1 0 1. So this is 1 0 1 1 0 1. So that is A B C complement, B complement C complement, A B complement C, and this will be A B C. All whole are 1 there because 1 1 1, because all are multiplied. And this is last is A B C complement, that is 1 1 0. So no term is repeated it here. So here in the corner you have to represent the decimal number 0 1, and here to move it here, this is 2 and this is 3. So this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and last is 7 it here. So order should not be changed, only variable position is changed. Here also when you go with POS, like S is there, you have to show the variable in the sum form here, and opposite to that what is written it here. If it is this B complement C complement, it will be B plus C. Okay, if it is B complement C, that is B plus C complement. If it is BC, so that is B complement plus C complement. So this is B complement plus C. Variables are opposite to that, because in product of sum, this normal number represent as 0 and complement represent as 1. Similarly here also 0 0. So this is 0 1 and 1 1 and 1 0. So when you write combine here, so that is A plus B plus C, and position is 0. Similarly position is 1, here is 2, here is 3, 4 and 5, 6, and next to this is 7. So here will be A B C complement, A B complement, so all will be plus it here. So whatever S is showing it here, that is sign is shown within the variable. So A plus B plus C complement, A plus B complement plus C, then A complement plus B plus C, then A complement plus B plus C complement, so that is A complement plus B complement plus C complement, and here also A complement plus B complement plus C. So that is 1 1 0, this is 1 1 1, this is again 1 0 1, so this is 1 0 0, and this is 0 0 0, this is 0 0 1, so this is 0 1 1, and this is 0 1 0. So this way you have to show the 3 variable. Next is 4 variable. If it is 4 variable, 2 will be shown on the row wise, and 2 will be shown on the column wise. If 2 2s are there, that means 4 rows and 4 columns will be there to show this thing. So that becomes complete your square matrix 4 by 4. So here when I go with the 4 variables here, I will make the bigger, it will be easier for me. So here will be 4 rows and 4 columns will be there, but variable is like column wise variable is same. So what I am representing it here in the 3 variable form. So column is representing same. Now it will be 4 columns. So 1 2 3 and 4. Here I take bigger one because this is product of sum I have to show, like 1 2 and 3 and 4. So there will be 4 rows, 1 1, 2, and this is 3, 4 rows. Here also, like here, 4 rows. So I'm just here, just only introduction of the key maps here. So now if it is the 4 variable, so 1 variable represent 2. Okay, so 4 variable, 2 will be goes on rows wise and 2 will be on the column wise. So if there are 4 variables like A, B, C, D, so AB will go this side and CD will go this side. Here also AB will go this side and CD will go with column wise. So let's start here, how it will show. So now there is no single variable is there, but upward condition is same. If it is SOP, start for complement. If it is POS, start from without complement. First I will write it here. So it will start with the complement, A complement, B complement. So whatever last variable is there, so that sign shown among the inputs. So now this is A complement B. Now remove for the first B complement, like in here in the previous we remove the complement from the second variable, then from the first variable, then again come to the second variable, again complement. So same way here, like remove from the complement from the second variable, then first variable, then second variable, it will be repeat again. Similarly here again, C complement, D complement, remove from the second variable, then from the first variable, then second variable, it will be repeated again. Okay, but if I go with here, so that will be opposite to that. So if this is A complement, B complement, so it will show A plus B, then A plus B complement, then A complement plus B complement, then A complement plus B. That is exactly opposite to this. Here also, like C plus D, C plus D complement. So whatever complement on the second variable, that whatever procedure followed here, same will be followed here. Like C complement plus D complement and C complement plus D. Now when you join this variable here, so like this is A complement, B complement, C complement, D. So A complement, B complement, C complement, D, and here will be A complement, B complement, C, D. So when you represent the number here, so this will be A complement, B complement, C, D complement. Similarly, A, B, C, D. So first I will write it here, so that will be easier. So it will save my time. So this is C, only A and C complement. This is A complement and this is A complement and D complement. Here also ABCD, ABCD and ABC. First I will write it here, then it will be easier for me. So this is only CD complement, because this is AB is fixed, and C complement, here CD, and this is CD complement, only D complement. So this is ABCD. So ABCD, ABCD and ABCD. So this is B complement and CD also. So this is B complement and C complement, B complement CD, and B complement and D complement. Okay, so this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, and this is 1 0. This is also 0 0. So this is 0 1, so this is 1 1 and 1 0. So when you join it here numbers, so this is 0 0 0. Now this is 4-digit number. So 4-digit number means 1 1 appear here. Okay, so this first I will write it 0 1 0 1. This is 0 1 row. So this is 1 1. So this is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 row. Now column wise it is 0 0 0 0 0 0, and here it is 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1, and this is 0 0 1 0. So this is 0 1 and this is 0 1, This is 0 1 and 0 1 column. This is 1 1 1 1 column. So this is 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, so no number is repeated it here. So when you go with the decimal numbers here, so this position is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so this will be 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, and when you go with 8 is here. Now you go with downward. So where is the number is there? You go it here. This is 8 position. Okay. This is 9 position. This is 10 position. This is 11. Now you move it upward. Back it here. So this is my 12 position. This is my 13th position. This is 14 and this is last is 15, because this is 4 variable is there. So it will be for the 4 variable. So for the 4 variable it will be 15 will be the last. Okay, similarly here also that will opposite to that. So position will be same. There is a no position in the binary number. Binary number is same, only variable is different, because in the product of sum, complement represent for 1 and actual number represent for the 0. So this is also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So when you combine this one, so this in the plus form, when you combine this one, this will be a plus b plus c plus d. So a plus b plus c plus d complement. So this is a plus b plus c complement plus d. Better I go with first right row, then I go with column. So first it will be, if I go with the row, a plus b complement, a plus b complement, a plus b complement. This is a complement plus b complement, a complement plus b complement, plus b complement, and a complement plus b complement. A complement plus b, a complement plus b, then a complement plus b, then a complement plus b. Now I added the column c plus d, c plus d and c plus d. Here I did column c plus d complement, c plus d complement, c plus d complement will be added. So here also c complement plus d complement plus c complement plus d complement and c complement plus d complement. Here is added c complement plus d and c complement plus d and c complement plus d. And if you go with the binary position will be 0 0 0 1. So this is 0 1 row, this is 1 1 row, this is 1 0 row, this is column 0 0. So this is 0 0 row, this column is 0 1, this column is 1 1, this column is 1 0. Okay, when you go with the position, this is 0 position, this is 1 position, this is 2 position, and this is 3 position. So this one is again 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8 will be go it here, 8 9 10 11 and 12 13 14 and 15. So there is a no change in the position of the binary number, only variable it changes. Binary number position is same. Instead of variable POS, your complement become 1 and actual number become 0. So this is only introduction of the K-maps, and next video we will do for the expression how this K-map deal with the Boolean expression.